We are here at the KW Next Gen QL Summit. The young adults go into an event of Quantum Leap with Gary Keller, and our instructors go into a workshop where they learn to hone their skills in teaching Quantum Leap. After that, we unpack everything that the students and the young adults have learned from Gary, and we help apply it to their own lives. So they go through and create their own mission statements and GPS, really help them have an action plan so they can leave here and march in the direction of their dreams.
To the welcome party, to being in the room with Gary Keller and getting to put your plan together and your purpose together so you can go out and do what you want to do is one of the most amazing things and experiences.
There are so many important life lessons that you can learn from here. They can help you figure out what your mission is and figure out what you love to do and how you can do that for the rest of your life.
Being involved in KW Next Gen over the last few years, they care about the growth and development of young individuals that want to achieve all their goals for their life.
They've given me the power to understand that I can be wealthy and not have to work to live, and has given me so much inspiration to do what I want to do in my life.
One of the biggest implements that I've been able to do is through the 411 and the GPS, being able to really cast a big vision and make that tangible into what I am able to focus on.
It lights me up just to see all of the young people be able to get these lessons early on and be able to go out and change the world and live their life truly on purpose.
It has been the best thing ever to get my priorities straightened, and it's made everything in life honestly way easier to navigate.
Being in a room where you have people that just face through their fears, it just motivates you to be that person.
You're not only going to get to meet like-minded people who are on the same path as maybe you see yourself. This information is incredibly valuable to your life, whether it's spiritual, physical, financial.
I think coming to QL Summit, no matter where you're at and what part of your life you're at, it will make an impact on you and it will help you continuously hone in on where it is that you're headed.